The 300 SL is a 4-column design. The 150, the 600, all the way up to the 3,000 kilonewton machines are all 4-column design. The SL line can be configured for different tests: tensile, compression, flexure, peel, so it's truly a universal machine. It meets or exceeds the ASTM standards, the ISO, or British standards. These machines are all over the world and meet the standards for each specific country. What sets us apart from the competition is our piston and cylinder design. It's a virtual friction-free piston and cylinder with no O-rings, no gaskets, no leaks. And it will stand up time and time again. 60,000 pounds, you're breaking something, it's meant to take that fatigue. The competition uses load cells, which fit typically under this table and will, over time, fatigue and need to be replaced. The SL line is very versatile. It can go into different university settings, it can go into white glove labs, or it can go out into your steel mill where it's dirty and dusty, and it will just churn out your results day in, day out, without the need of a lot of maintenance. If you do require maintenance, say typical annual calibration, we have a full accredited calibration staff ready to meet your needs for your calibration, whether it's ASTM, ISO, or British standard, all over the world. With the SL line, you also have the ability to add automation to the machine, meaning that you could have a robot put the sample in. The grips can close hydraulically or pneumatically around the specimen and break the specimen with automatic extensometers, hardness machines incorporated in that will do your whole complete round of testing without the operator having to put his hands in the machine at all. The robot does all the work. The software gives you the ability to get repeatable results between the machine being calibrated to tight standards, whether it's ASTM, ISO. The software will give you repeatable results, ease of use with different operators. Different operators can log in as themselves. You have traceability to track any changes they make in the software. You also have network connectivity where you could have this reside on a company network. So anybody that has the privileges to log in and read the data or the test results can pull the data and format it in Excel, or they want to print a PDF of the graph. They have that ability to do that without having to walk down to the lab. It can also be shared company-wide. So a location in Pittsburgh can also share the results with the company in Houston, and they can make sure that their product is within spec. You can configure these grips in different ways where you can do flats and rounds just by changing out the wedges. The wedges take 5 minutes, if that, to switch out, not having to take these grips out and put some sort of other tooling in its place. So I have that ease of use to just switch out the wedges, and I have a whole nother test setup ready to go in just a few minutes. The SL line is completely configurable. You can have a fixed standard height head, fixed 1 foot, 2 foot, or 3 foot head, or in this case, I have a 3 foot adjustable head that you can move to different positions for different type tests that you do, whether it's your specimen length or you have bigger grips in here that you need to test something long. We put a lot of research and development into this piston and cylinder. It has proven itself for years as a trouble-free, maintenance-free system and very accurate and repeatable. It will give you years and years of service, no matter if it's a 300 kilonewton machine or our smallest 150 kilonewton, up to our 3,000 kilonewton machine.